So I've got a dead end here where I'm picking up these cars. I think what I'm gonna do is pull this way and back up in there. That way I don't have to back up coming out. I think that's my plan here. This is, there's no traffic, so I think we should be fine with that. Well, I guess we'll see. So I just go around here, get pictures of all body panels. It's picking up cars in the rain like this is tough because that's why they tell you never to buy a car at night or in the rain. So you can't see little imperfections. You see like, got like a mark there, the rear bumper. Just try to get what you can. I go all the way around the car from all angles, especially so you can see the way the light hits things. And then do all, like go around and check all the wheels, because you'll see like, you know, there's curb rash on that wheel there. You know, paint coming off there. But you know, 9 times out of 10, well, 99 times out of 100, there's no issues. But it's just that one time you have an issue with a customer, you want to make sure your butt's covered. So we got the pictures done, go around, mark all the imperfections, and then take pictures of the wheels, and we'll be ready to, already did the M5, so we'll be ready to get, now we'll get this all flipped open. I was gonna say up, but flipped open here. Got our race ramp sitting at the back here for us. Get all these straps out of the way, and open up all the doors, and then I'll show you guys the loading process. I think I'm gonna put my one camera here, up here, I think. And then obviously have the head cam on so you guys can see it. So what I like to do is like to lay out the straps exactly where they're gonna go. I kind of usually leave them there in each position, close to where they're gonna be. Like this one's gonna go in the rear tire for this car. I got the fronts over there, and then the rears are laying out over there. But I like to do that so I'm not running around looking for stuff. And we'll just open this other side door here. Really tried to stay away from the trees. I didn't want to scratch this nice new trailer up. Let there be light. And that's the nice thing about having an enclosed loading in the rain. I don't have to worry about getting wet so much. All right, well you can see that's the setup. With the long race ramps, you can see how much of a gradual angle it is. Put the M3 in first, the M5 in after. Get everything strapped down. Let's get this M3 loaded up first. Manual cars are always fun, trying to lean out the window to make sure you're straight. Nice and easy. Right on the E-track. That's what that cracking noise is, kinda. Alright. I want to be in. I might go a little farther forward. There we go. Alright. And last but not least, the M5. This one's going to be a little wider, so This one has all the safety features where the car starts freaking out, thinking it's gonna hit something with the front bumper. Looks good to me. Well, you can say the weather's a little nicer to unload these. Sorry for the wind, but see if I can't get out of it. These are still wet from the rain. Someone's got a nice load here. Porsche, Mercedes, R8, Aston Martin. There's a Bentley, BMW. Someone's got a nice load sitting here in the parking lot. Let's get these unloaded and get home. We're done for the week. And just like that, we're delivered. We're in good company. Got a lot of nice cars here. There's a Gallardo over there I just was checking out. Truck's right there, and we're done for the week. Well, that ends about a 2,500 mile week. Just under 125,000 miles on the old 7.3.